Hello and welcome to a new episode of the CTO show with Mehmet. Today it's a short episode as it is Sunday, and today I'm not bringing any article, I'm just discussing a topic really that everyone started to try to jump on, which is the use of generative artificial intelligence like ChatGPT. Of course, there are plenty of other options there, and there are a lot of tools out there. But what sparked me to record this episode today is because the debate that we started to see around this topic. In my humble opinion, we cannot stop. Why? Because it's already out in the wild. And even if a company like OpenAI decides tomorrow to stop doing what they are doing, believe me, a lot of professionals, they have the know-how to replicate this mass language model and release their own versions of something which be similar to ChatGPT. This is a fact, and no one can change this fact. Yesterday, I've seen an article around a university where they accepted ChatGPT to be a co-author. Why not? One of my friends mentioned that he will teach how to use ChatGPT in his course at the university, which is perfect, excellent. People debating the use of technology will let us be less creative, we'll rely more on machines to do what we do. But hey, wait 1 second. We've been relying on technology for ages now, and the main purpose of any technology is to facilitate our day-to-day lives. If someone thinks that just relying on a technology would cause people to lose their jobs or would cause people to be threatened, I don't agree. If this was the case, why we don't talk about people who used to ride horses to move people from A to B, and then the cars replaced their professions? Why we don't think about all the heavy lifting that our ancestors used to do, and then with the use of technology, they don't have to do it anymore. So why every time a new technology comes up, we have the naysayers, the people who tries, especially the media, who tries, to exaggerate the effect of the technology, while the number one rule here is how I can leverage this technology. I work in technology myself, and I can see that it can replace some very sophisticated things that IT professionals does day to day. But will that mean that we will not have people working in the domain? Of course not. It's not here to eliminate jobs. We need to understand this fact very, very well. Technologies like ChatGPT and others, they are here to take us as a humanity to better places. So better that we think, okay, we have the technology in hand now, how we can leverage it. The same thing when the mobile app started on the smartphone. So the use case was very small, very niche, and now, we have ecosystems behind it. And this is exactly what's happening now. So I would say no need to make the big hype about, losing jobs and being obsolete. There's nothing like this that would happen. Because remember also one main factor. Language models are nothing other than data that exists. It's under our hands, and it's just trained in the machine to process it faster and produce to us output faster than what we can do. That's it all. It has nothing to do with eliminating jobs. Think about it, how it can help me in my day to day job, not the opposite. Thank you very much for listening. And I would hope to catch up with you in the next episode. And as always, I would be more than happy to listen to your feedback. And if you want me to discuss any topic, I would be more than happy to do that. Thank you very much and see you next episode.